So, hello everyone, I am Chinmay Gupta from NIT Rourkela, currently studying BTech. So, this is my model rocket design. So, this is the first look of my model rocket, and now the rocket specification are as follows. The rocket weight is approximately 957 gram, and the propellant weight is 122 gram. In total impulse provided by the motors are 263 Newton second, and the apogee reached by the rocket is approx 2 kilometers. Now, this is the design of my rocket. It consists of mainly consists of three motors. Um, each motor weighs 40.8 grams, so the total weight becomes 122 gram, and the total impulse provided by all the motors is 263 Newton seconds. Uh, so the center of gravity of my rocket is at location 24.1 centimeter from the nose cone, and center of pressure is 33.3 centimeters away from the nose cone. Now altitude, as I said, reached by the rocket is to approximately 2 kilometers. The flight time is approximately 658 seconds. Uh, time to up, time to reach apogee is 18.9 seconds. Optimum delay is 18 seconds. It is taken by me as 18 seconds so that the velocity of rocket at the deployment of the parachute becomes low. Now uh, velocity at deployment is 2.61 meter per second, which is very low. The landing velocity is also 2.77, which is considerably low. Now these are some part details of my rocket. All the parts of the rocket are made up of carbon fiber except some of them. Uh, so, and the parachute which I have taken have diameter 150 centimeters so that the ground velocity can uh, become low and the rocket can be recovered in a better condition. Now, this is the shape of a trapezoidal fin set which I have used. This is the shape, and this is the shape of the nose cone. Now, selection of nose cone, the length of nose cone is 7.9 centimeter. It is of Hague series, and shape parameter is 0 so that the drag can be minimized. And the nose cone length is 1/4 of that of body tube for stabilizing the rocket. Now, the body tube is of length 35 centimeters so that the center of gravity can be shifted uh, towards nose cone, and the diameter of the rocket is around 4 centimeters, so we can carry payload up to diameter 3.9 centimeters. And choosing a small diameter is because to reach maximum apogee, and second to minimize the drag. Uh, Now the selection of fins are trapezoidal fins, which has less air drag, not the least air drag, but we can change its height and other parameters so to reach our maximum apogee of rocket. Now, location of center of gravity for maximizing stability and apogee, center of gravity should be on close to the top of the rocket. So for this rocket, the center of gravity is uh, located at 24.1 centimeter from tip of the nose cone, and it is it is approximately at the center of the rocket, as the mass of motors and fins are balanced by nose cone and payload mass. Now, static margin, the distance between center of gravity and center of pressure is approximately 9.2 centimeters, uh, which is the double the body tube diameter, which is 4 centimeters. And the initial stability is 2.3 caliber, which varies as the rocket uh, launches. Now, analysis of rocket based on various parameters such as payload capacity, performance of rocket, ground hit velocity, stability, efficiency, and velocity at deployment. Now, payload capacity, the rocket can carry up to 200 gram of payload to a apogee of 2000 meters. The performance of rocket based on various graphs. First is the stability margin calibers versus time plot. So at the starting, its stability is around 2 and then it increases up to 3. When the fuel is burned out or the motor is burned out, then the stability starts decreasing. As the fuel is over, now rocket has the only velocity which is provided by the motor at this point, up to this point. Now, second graph is altitude versus time plot. So from 0 to 20, around 25 seconds, and the maximum apogee is reached, and then as time passes, the altitude decreases. Now, the ground hit velocity of rocket is around 3 meters per second, which is low, and the initial stability, as I said, is 2.3 calibers, and maximum drag force is only 24.6 centimeters, 24.6 newtons, which make rocket more efficient and less and consume less time to reach the apogee. And the velocity at deployment is 2.61 second. It is due to the, as I said earlier, due to the large ejection time delay, which is around 18 seconds. So this is all about my rocket. So uh, thank you very much.